Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. Today we're going to be talking about these ICI Magnum Steps. You know, since we got them on this truck, we've been having such a good time. It's like a Hawaiian shirt party every day. But in order to talk about these steps, we got to get the guy whose truck this is in here. Cory! Cory! Oh, there you are, Cory. Oh my gosh, it was almost like you were here the whole time. So, these awesome Magnum Steps, you've had them on your truck now for a couple of weeks. How you like them?
Oh man, I love them. They're great. They give an extra 3.5 inches of drop from the stock steps. So
Nice.
My pregnant wife loves them. It's easier getting out of the truck.
Right.
They're really sturdy. There's very little flex to them when you put any weight on them. And they are definitely a lot heavier than the stock steps. They have a nice aggressive look to them, so I love them.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but you had these on a week ago. Before you got these on, your wife wasn't even pregnant. These steps made that possible.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
pretty.
an added bonus.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and about the installation, the price, and everything else.
Yeah,
What about that?
Installation was super easy. They're price pointed pretty aggressively with the rest of the market of this type of step. So yeah, I think all around a good product.
And you would recommend them?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Well, they will get your wife pregnant. The ICI Magnum Steps, you can pick them up right now at MidwestAftermarket.com. And again, as always, if you have any questions, pick up the phone, give us a call. Thank you, Cory. All right, go make some more babies.